Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm back with another easy to follow tutorial on how to sign up for Rapids wallet. So let's get started without further ado. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Rapids wallet application on your mobile device. Open your App Store or your Play Store and look for this application and download it. Once the download is completed, tap on the open button to open the app. Now, tap on the Create Wallet button in order to get started and sign up. You will be displayed with your seed phrases, which you'll need to back up. Write down the 12-word seed phrases that appears on the screen. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose your device or forget your password. Tap on the Copy button at the top right in order to copy the phrases and paste it in a secure folder. Once you are done backing up your seed phrases, you'll now need to input a title for your wallet. Go to the title option at the bottom and type in your wallet name. After you are done, tap on the next button at the bottom. It'll then again remind you if you've copied and saved your seed phrases. If not, you will lose access to this wallet in the future, so make sure you back up your recovery phrases before moving on to the next step. If you've already made a backup, tap on Yes. On the next page, it'll prompt you to create a password. Enter a new password for your wallet and tap on Set Password. You'll now need to repeat the password by typing it again one more time. Finally, tap Confirm Password. If you want to use biometrics authentication, tap on Yes and wait for a few seconds. Now you've created a wallet for yourself. Simply tap on it and allow biometrics or Face ID. If you want to enable it by tapping on OK, or if you don't want to allow it, tap on Don't Allow. Now, in order to get access to your wallet, you'll need to type in your password every time. Make sure to type in your password correct and click on Unlock Wallet to get hold of your wallet. Once you've created and secured your Rapids wallet, you can start using it to store, send and receive RPD tokens. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.